students, back with a detailed analysis for science subject as well. Okay, so let us quickly start without wasting much time. You are going to be elated, after 10-15 minutes of the analysis, you are going to be elated with joy because chapters which were a pain for students, especially for bio and chemistry, some parts in physics, deleted. Yes. Okay. So let us see what of, okay, so let's see. So as far as, again, as it was in your maths, chapter wise or the unit wise weightage is not changed. It's the same. The unit wise weightage is same. Now, secondly, okay, let us start with the first unit, chemical substances. All the 5 chemistry chapters are there. Now, as far as chapter number 1, chapter number 2 is concerned, there is no there is no change as such. Okay, unit 1. Now, change, where is change? So, chemical reactions, no change. Okay, whichever there are chapters which have no change, I'll just mark it with a red. No change. Acid, bases, and salt, again no change. The same topics, all the topics of that chapter are being retained. Now, next one, metals, non-metals was a bit confusing for the students, but now what are the topics which are remaining? Only properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, and formation of properties of ionic compounds. Only this is there. What has been the metallurgical processes, which was a big pain for many students? Metallurgical processes, corrosion, and prevention. These 2 topics have been removed. No need to do it. 40% of the chapter has been cancelled. Deleted only these 3 topics: properties, reactivity series, and formation properties of ionic compounds. Formation and properties of ionic compounds is there. Right? Now, carbon compounds. Carbon compounds was like a nightmare for many students. I know, right? Because practicing the entire big hydrocarbons and all these things was not actually possible for many students, and they used to get so confused. I used to get so many doubts. Don't ask. Good news, very big news for you. 80% of the chapter, carbon compounds, 80%, okay? Take that. 80% of this chapter is deleted. Can you believe it? 80% of the chapter is deleted. Yes. So if you see Norman, this is the deleted portion, right? This part, right part is the deleted portion. Nomenclature of hydrocarbons is not there. Functional groups, halogen, alcohol, ketone, aldehydes. If you go to 11th and 12th grade, this is your ABC of organic chemistry. ABC, remind that. Yes. So though it's not there, but again, as I suggested in mathematics, as far as trigonometry was concerned, please go through the basics of these topics, because for organic chemistry, you cannot go ahead without knowing what are halogens, what are alcohols, ketones, and aldehydes, alkanes, alkynes. So the nomenclature part, deleted. Difference between saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, chemical properties of carbon compounds, combustion, oxidation, addition, all the 4: oxidation, addition, substitution reactions, ethanol and ethanoic acid, nothing. Soaps, detergents, nothing. Everything is deleted. Nothing is there in this chapter now. Nothing. This chapter was, again, I mean, if you say out of 80, on a higher side, I'll go 25 to 27 marks were allotted for chemistry. At least 8 marks from me. 8 marks used to come from carbon compounds. And it was based on only these things. Nothing is there now. Only covalent bonding. How is the covalent bonding in carbon compounds? And the versatile nature and homologous series. That's it. That's it. Nothing has been deleted. Okay. Carbon compounds, they have deleted almost the entire chapter. So again, there is no deletion in your periodic classification. The entire chapter as it is. Chemical reaction is as it is. Acid bases is as it is. Little 50% deletion in metals, non-metals. 80% deletion in carbon compounds. Yes. Right. Okay. Let us proceed with biology now. So as far as biology, world of living was concerned, life processes chapter. I don't see any deletion over here. See, it starts with control and coordination. So life processes chapter, same chapter as it is. Okay, no deletion in that chapter, life processes. Then reproduction, reproduction in animals. Okay, entire chapter is there again. You can see only 3 chapters are there in biology, which had initially 6 chapters. Only 6 chapters. Life process is as it is, reproduction is as it is, and as far as the chapter named heredity and evolution, only heredity part is kept. The entire evolution part is being deleted. Yes. So if you see, they have renamed the chapter only up to heredity. So that means only Mendel's contribution, laws of inheritance, genetic determination, sex determination. So this brief introduction, only the elementary topics from the heredity part is there. The entire evolution part is not there. It's not there. Okay, it's been deleted. Right now, as far as the natural phenomena, that means our physics start over here. Okay, natural phenomena, physics is considered the light. Okay, I have completed the entire light part in my YouTube channel. Go through it. So if we see in the natural, the first chapter, light chapter is as it is. Spherical mirrors, lenses, concave, convex lenses, numericals based on lens formula, mirror formula, power of a lens, everything is there. Okay, no change in light chapter. But the second chapter, which follows light, is human eye and the colorful world. So in that, the entire human eye part is removed. This was a big blow for me, and I was really upset on removal of this topic because it is a very important, and it is what is there, right? It is practicality. When people wear specs, you need to understand why, which sort of specs are there, which sort of spectacles are they using, what is the number of that, right? The entire chapter, defects, refractive index, defects are removed. Myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, structure of human eye, how does the human eye work, entire thing, almost 50% of the chapter, that is human eye and colorful world, is removed. That is human eye, entire human eye has been deleted, only colorful world is there. And out of the colorful world also, let us see. Yeah, see, this was a part of the first chapter. Now refraction through a prism is there. That angle of deviation diagram, again I'll point out, it is very, very important. So when light passes through a prism, it gets splitted into 7 basic colors. Dispersion part is there, dispersion of light, scattering of light is there, and applications in daily life. The entire atmospheric refraction part is there, and this entire part along with human eye I have covered in my YouTube channel. If you want to go through it, please go. Right, even if it's deleted, you can at least go through it so that you'll get the information. Right, okay. Electricity part, let's see now. Natural resources, okay. Functioning, see over here what is deleted. Functioning of human eye, defects of vision, application of spherical mirrors and lenses. Application part is also deleted. No uses, I mean, unless, and this was very bad, unless and until you don't know the uses, where it is used, how is that possible? You cannot conceptually relate it to your real life. How are we going to use this? So only theoretical knowledge is not sufficient, I think. It's deleted, but we cannot do anything for that. Now, effects of current. Okay, electricity chapter, no change. Okay, let me get it clear. Very important chapter from your 11th, 12th grade, because if you observe your 12th grade syllabus for physics, part 1. Okay, part 1 is entirely based on electricity and magnetism. 7 to 8 chapters are based on electricity and magnetism, and this electricity chapter and magnetism chapter, that is magnetic effects of electricity, this is the base, this is the crux of what we are going to study in our 12th grade. Okay, so be very serious with this chapter while going through it, and make your conceptual knowledge very good, and try to apply it, because very, very important chapter from future point of view as well. So no change in electricity part, but magnetic part, what is the change is that your generator, again an important topic which used to come for 4 mark or 5 mark construction, working principle and diagram of electric generator. Okay, it was there initially, but now it's not there. Your this direct current alternating AC current, many students used to get confused between what is the DC current, what is the AC current. It's deleted, it's not there. But the concept is very important as far as 11th and 12th is concerned. AC graph, advantage of AC over DC, your domestic electrical circuits, that is 3 types of wires, live wire, neutral wire, earth wire, not there. This entire thing is deleted. What is there? Now you need to focus on these topics now because the main topics have been removed. Okay. Even in from human eye, this was a short question. Either a 5 mark question was structure of human eye along with the diagram, or a 3 mark question based on the defects was used to come. If you study the past papers, it was a short question, but it's not there. So that means you need to focus more on the remaining topics now, right? So in the magnetic effects of current chapter, you can see what do you mean by magnetic field? What are the characteristics of magnetic field lines? Magnetic field due to a bar magnet, due to a single current carrying coil, due to a solenoid, right? All these things are there. Now force on a current, Fleming's, all the rules are very important, right? Let me get it. Right hand thumb rule, Fleming's left hand rule, and Fleming's right hand rule. These are very, very important. Electric motor, just the initial part. Okay, electric motor is there. Electric generator is not there. Okay, let me get this right. Motor is there, generator is not there. So you can expect a question from motor for its diagram, construction, working. Okay, motor is there. Now, electromagnetic induction, EMI, induced potential difference, all the remaining topics is there. The last part, okay, the last 30% of the chapter has been deleted. Okay, natural resources, oh my god, full chapter deleted. Full chapter, sources of energy, full chapter deletion. It was quite an easy chapter. So at 1 or 2 mark questions used to come. 1 mark question used to come from this chapter. But again, it's deleted. This is a very easy chapter. Right. No problem. Now natural resources, no deletion in natural resources. The entire chapter is there. Okay. So I think some of the topics shouldn't have been got deleted. Right. But anyways, we cannot do anything now. As far as I think, please go through the topics which have been deleted because, or like after your board exams now, I know you are very confused now right now because the situation is not good. We are in such a global pandemic that you cannot go to schools. I know online learning is getting a little difficult for all of you, right? So, okay, let us be happy with what we have and do not get again very, very happy that, oh, 50% of the portion, 40% of the portion is not there. Okay, I'm going to get scored good marks. Again, you'll score only if you study, practice, right? So whatever remaining topics are there, let's try to focus on that. Okay, next episode I'm coming with again such type of detailed analysis for social science. Okay, stay tuned. Bye. Thank you.